In this video, I will show you how to block a number from Android mobile. I am doing it on the Android um, Huawei P10 Lite, so the settings might vary in your own mobile. So in an Huawei P10 Lite, you can go to the settings, and I believe that the settings would be similar in most of the Android mobiles. And then in the settings, you go to security and privacy, and in the privacy you need to go to the top one which says blocked, and over here you can see the messages from the blocked numbers and the calls from the blocked number. Here go to the top right hand side settings of the blocked, and as you can see here that over here you can, by pressing this, you can see the blocked messages, blocked numbers, already blocked numbers. So if you want to add up another number, you need to just press this add, and from here the options are: you can manually add a number, you can match prefix, you can add from the contact, you can add from the call log, and you can add from the messages. I am going to select the from contacts, and in the contacts, for the sake of this demo video, I'm going to block the Huawei customer service. Just press select that contact and press OK, and now you can see that Huawei customer service also added in my block list. And apart from this, the other settings, you can see that the different keywords, you can block messages from stretches containing different keywords will be blocked. So if you want to block certain words, those messages will not be seen. And similarly, the whitelist is also available. It says that the calls and messages from the whitelist numbers will not be blocked once you will apply the interception rules, and that are on the top, where you can see that you can apply the rules based on which it is going to automatically block the message or the call. And the first setting is that it is you can apply this for both the sims if you have a dual sim mobile, or you can select it for sim 1 and sim 2. And down below you can see that the blocked unknown hidden numbers, then you have an option block all strangers, block all incoming calls. But if you select this, remember that the calls from the whitelist numbers will also be blocked, and block all strangers. So these are the different rules you can apply. So that's how you can block a number. Last thing, that if you want to remove someone from the blacklist or unblock a number, just go to the your number blacklist and then press that contact for a longer time, and then from the setting you can remove. And this is how you can remove a person or a contact from your block list.